channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection, and today we are getting into Molton Brown Discovery Kit. Okay, and in particular, we have fiery pink pepper. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. Fiery pink pepper. There it is. Go ahead and unsheathe this thing. Okay, light and easy. I'm not doing any justice, but light and easy. We're not gonna waste a whole lot of time here. Back of the wrist, bam. You got woodsy, citrus, soft spice, warm spice, fresh spice, patchouli, sweet, aromatic, balsamic, and musky. Musky, isn't it usually just musk? Musky is hilarious. So off the rip, it smells like, remember that pink icy pack you used to get as a kid, you know? And when you would eat the pink one, sometimes when it was like a little half frozen, unfrozen, that's exactly what this smells like. Notes: in the top, you got pink pepper, tangerine, Elemi. In the middle, you got nutmeg and ginger, and in the base, you have patchouli and cedar. So it's definitely leaning more feminine, right? Pink pepper, but it also has like a musky undertone. So the musk is definitely giving it a little bit of redemption, but it's definitely more leaning female. I don't particularly care for this. I'm gonna be honest. Out of all of them, this is probably the weakest. I don't think it smells all that great. So I know I'm being a little rough with this, but just being honest, this one ain't working for me. Yeah, not a whole lot to say here. Maybe it needs time. It's a little funky, to be honest. Yeah, pink pepper from Molton Brown. Have you tried it? Let me know. One thing I do know for sure is YouTube right now is making some awesome suggestions right now. Click on one of them. Enjoy the funnel. I'll catch you guys.